On May 14, 2024, the Pineville Police Department received a call regarding a shoplifting incident from the Food Lion at 10120 Johnston Road. A police officer pulls into the parking lot of the Food Lion where he sees the suspect, 46-year-old Dennis Bodden. Bodden was very well known to Pineville police as being a chronic shoplifting suspect at this Food Lion and having violent tendencies towards officers and civilians. Here's what happens next. First, let's listen to the 911 call.
Johnston Road, Food Line.
Hold on one moment.
I got it.
Food Line on Johnston Road?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what's your name? What's going on?
I got the same guy who keep coming in here shoplifting. Saying he's African American, he's 6'5", he's probably about 220, 230. Right now he's in the produce department making his round.
Okay.
The same guy your officer keep coming for. And
is he currently concealing items now?
Yes, he's right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
If I
Got
can
it.
get somebody, please hurry up.
Yep. Gotcha.
All right.
All right.
Officer Roberts is now on the way to investigate the shoplifting.
All right, he's walking. I'm going to try to get up with him. He's wearing a yellow raincoat.
Upon arriving, Officer Roberts immediately identified Mr. Bodden.
Hello.
Let's see how it unfolds through his body cam footage.
Stop, please. Better back up. Get on the ground. One at taser. Get on the ground.
1514.
Get on the ground.
Well, Bodden seems unbothered by it and just continues to walk.
Get on the ground, sir.
No.
All right, we're walking towards AMC. He's already tried to push off on me, so. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
On the ground, says Officer Roberts, but Bodden just kept walking on after staring down the cop.
This is the police. You do realize that, right?
That's right.
Get on the ground. Dude, I really don't want to tase you.
Just look at Bodden staring down Officer Roberts as if the officer is doing something wrong.
Where's somebody at? We're walking on Johnson right now.
Passing out, Dr. Bud, I'm getting to you.
Get on the ground. Do not walk into traffic. You'll just die, dude. Do not walk in that traffic.
Sorry?
Bodden remains semi-calm after being grabbed by Officer Roberts.
Traffic now. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground.
And now Officer Roberts tackles him. Shockingly, here comes the taser shots.
Don't you move! Taser deployed. Taser deployed. He took a big... Get on the ground!
How is Bodden so calm after being tossed? Look at him casually walking off again.
Get on the ground! Now!
That's the concrete area.
I'm in Johnson Plaza now, or Johnston.
Officer Roberts is now calling for backup. Let's see what happens.
He bit me pretty good on my arm. We're still walking.
23 in the area.
Back up.
Look how Bodden seemed unbothered and emotionless. He must be used to this.
Building, we're over there. Turn around, Randy, I saw you.
Correct. We're starting medic stage. Pulling in now.
And now backup arrives. Would Bodden finally comply?
You ain't getting away, bro.
Bodden is now fighting back after Officer Roberts points his gun at him.
Get him, ready. Get him! Back up!
What a shot. Would Bodden survive the shots?
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
Get down!
Shots fired, 15
Get
8.
down!
Shots fired.
Get out of the ground!
Get out of the ground! Get out of the ground! Put your hands
North
behind
medic,
your back!
Charlotte.
Let's see how it unfolds from another angle. Officer Randall's body cam.
Taser! Taser! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
Get down!
Fired, 15
Get down!
Fired.
Get out of the ground! Get out of the ground! Get out of the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
Bodden collapses. Those bullets must have hurt. But the question is, will he survive?